Yo guys, I come to another video. Sorry it's been a long time. I had to just bring the outro to back for that rapping thingness. It is a 2010 6320 John Deere. We had it for a really long time. Right, so right now it's on third gear. I don't know what that is for, but there's a throw there. Start two, cause I had to go through there, cause there's trucks behind it. So just start up. Pull this in neutral before you start. Then pull your foot on the clutch. Then start up. Okay, so now the brakes is on. So we're and now it's off, so I get the front loader up. It's dead there. Okay, please like and subscribe. Just go away. I might reverse out. Yeah, I may have to. Got no options. Yeah. Right. This is how I back out. I never reverse. Yeah. Okay. I got now put on forward. I got on third gear. I'll leave it on third gear. Please like and subscribe. My dad's following me behind me. I don't need to slow down cause I know how to get through the gates easy. Pull the front end loader a little bit up. There's some deer. Shape of a deer. Good work, dear. Good work. So I still go on third gear now, but I just had to throttle a little bit up. So yeah. This is the bumpy bit. Jeez, I almost hit the fence. Let's slow it down cause safety reasons. I almost hit sheep pass. Well, I'm going sideways. I still go on third gear. It's struggling a little bit. Okay, I think they told me to put about here by the wrapper, so I'm gonna leave it here. Slow down, put the thing on neutral, so that's on neutral now. Throw down, then the front end loader goes down. So I'm putting this thing joystick down on the front loader. That's how you make it down. So done. Please like and subscribe.